Hello everyone, myself Vikas Kumar and I am here to discuss about the topic that is gravitation. Actually, what are the phenomenon related to the topic gravitation? Before that, I would like to discuss the literal meaning of this gravitation. Then we will discuss about the phenomenon and the content related to this gravitation. Actually, what we see, the gravitation, the literal meaning of gravitation is Guruttwakarshan. If you go through the Hindi or Sanskrit meaning, you will find that the Guruttwakarshan is the literal meaning of this gravitation. If you trisect this word, then you will find Guru plus Tattva plus Akarshan. These are the three words by which this word gravitation has been made in English. Guru, this is made of the two words, that is Guru and Gu and Ru. If you go through any spiritual book, then you find Gu, it means darkness, and Ru, it means light. It means the person who takes from dark to light, it means unknowing to knowing. The person who takes from unknowing to knowing, this is called Guru. But in a different way, the another meaning of Guru is which is in middle, which is in center, which is in equilibrium, which is balanced in every way. So you can say this Guru, it means it is in center. The next one, that is Tattva. Tattva is what? It is pure substance, that is called element. Next one, that is Akarshan. As you know, this is attraction. So this word is made of the in center, element and attraction. So what we see, it is the gravitation word is in context with earth. So in the center earth, there is some element which causes attraction of everybody towards it. This is called gravitation. So what we see here, if it is our earth, so in earth in center, there is some element which causes attraction of everybody towards the center of gravity. This is the literal meaning of gravitation. Actually, what we see the gravitation, as you have already discussed about the gravitation in lower classes also, there is a story also that Newton, that is called the father of modern physics, when he was sitting in the orchard and an apple just fell down before him, then he thought that what is the reason of that very apple to come from upside to downside. Let's see, visualize these things by a simple figure. What we see here, here is a Newton, there is an apple tree. So this apple is coming from up to down in this direction. So my dear, suddenly it was not a matter to investigate that why this apple fall from upside to downside, because before this the law of motion, Newton has three laws of motion. In first law of motion, Newton suggested that everybody, it is in rest or in motion until and unless any external unbalance or force is applied on it. So Newton suggested that, Newton thought also that this apple is in rest, but here this apple is in motion. So according to my first law, there must be rest. So but here it is in motion. What is the reason behind that? The reason behind that there must be a force applied on the body. So according to first law, Newton thought that I have suggested in my first law that there must be a force applied on the body to change its state. So here the apple is in rest but here in motion. Then what is the reason? According to his second law also, in second law also Newton suggested F equal to ma. So here the acceleration produced in body is directly proportional to force applied. So Newton's second law also suggests that if there is an acceleration in body, there must be a force. So here there is an acceleration, so there must be a force. So Newton was compelled to think over the matter that why this apple is falling down due to the cause of its laws of motion. Due to the first law of motion and the second law of motion. So he found that this is the earth. So earth has the ability to attract everybody towards its center of gravity. So this phenomena was known as gravitation. And the reason behind to think about, to research about, to observe about the gravitation, it was the laws of motion of the Newton. So, my dear, it is the gravitation. As you know, this gravitation is just a discipline of the nature. If there is a loss of discipline in any institution, any colleges, any school, everything will happen there. So, this gravitation binds our nature. As you know, the planets revolves on an axis also, in our orbit also. If there is an irregular periodic of revolution and rotation of every planet, there must be the haphazard and the nature will be collapsed. As we see, our atmosphere is attracted by the gravitational force. So if there will be no gravitational force, the earth will be quite vacant. There will be the vacuum, all the air will escape from our earth, and there will be no survival of any living beings on earth. Thank you.